Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today we are traveling to a farm near Nandi Hills. So if you're someone living in Bangalore and Whitefield area, then you can reach this place in an hour. So they charge around 300 per person for a full day stay, and they are renovating this place for eateries and for room stays. So when we entered, the place was so beautiful, filled with greenery, beautiful plants and flowers. So first we entered this bird's place where birds were let free and we entered their beautiful house. This was a treat to the eyes. Wow. The birds came, they come and sit on your shoulders, on your hands, and be very careful with kids as they might hurt the birds if they sit on them. Then we moved on to view some other animals, and there will be an assistant who will come along with us and guide us. So opposite to this farm, there was this beautiful grape farm, and my kids and I, we just love grapes. So when we saw this, we couldn't stop ourselves but to go and view this farm. And the grapes were so lovely. It was just eye-catching. But unfortunately, we couldn't have any of them as they were not fully ripe. Thank you guys. Please do like, share, and subscribe.